Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Binance account on another phone safely and securely. So whether you have got a new device or just need access on a second phone, follow these simple steps. So first of all, you will need to download the Binance app on your new phone. So in order to download it, you need to simply come in your Google Play Store or App Store and search for Binance. After that, you need to tap on the install button and you need to simply install the Binance application on your device. After that, you need to simply tap on the open button in order to open it, and now it will ask you some of the few questions which you need to answer. Like first, you need to tap on I am new to crypto. This option will redirect you on the next page where you need to tap on the login option, and now you need to provide your login credentials like your email address, your phone number and your password. If the two-factor authentication is enabled on your device, you will have to provide the passcode as well, and then you just have to simply go with the procedure. This way you will be able to easily log in into your Binance account in another phone. So if this video helped, please hit the like button, drop a comment and subscribe for more crypto guides. Thanks for watching.